Hey, what's up guys? So I just wanted to make this short video. These are just some clips that I have on my PC that really never made it to a video. So a couple of things that you guys definitely missed that I kind of wanted to show you guys. So this was the actual truck that pulled up with my Jeep all the way from Colorado. So this is us just pulling the Jeep off the trailer here. Go over and look at it here. But yes, this is what she used to look like, bone stock, like 9,300 some miles on it. Then I found a set of half doors on Craigslist. I actually bought these before I got my Jeep. These were 50 bucks on Craigslist. The guy was asking 100 bucks for them. But then I commented about some broken hinges and he said 50 bucks and they're yours. So this was me prepping the rear mounting flares for my metal cloaks. So these are what I painted there. These were the inner fenders that I painted as well. And then these are just when I did a bedline coating on them. And then these were me finishing up the front fenders here just with some paint. I painted them with some rust to metal, then with some primer, and then with bed liner. So that's just kind of what they look like there. So I strung them up in the garage and painted them, as you can see there. So then after that, I went and got my 35-inch tires. My buddy's a tire rack dealer, so I went to him, bought the tires. So I threw them in the back of the Dakota, as you can see here. So I fit them all together in the back there. But it was pretty cool seeing, because I've never seen 35s up close before. So it's pretty cool seeing those. But yeah, as you can see there, it blocked the rear view mirror completely. But so those are actually in the Dakota. I got 31-inch Goodyear Wrangler MTRs, and then those are 35s. This was at the tire shop. This was them getting ready to put them on. This was the first wheel that they got done. I just threw that in the back of the truck and then set them back there. Then this was just kind of a cool picture. I set them all up in the garage, and yeah. So this was the first night I did my fenders. So I pulled off the old fenders. You can see there's a bunch of sand and stuff in my old fenders. And this was just me installing that. I didn't film this. I kind of wish I would have, but it was still a pretty big deal. So I finished one side. This was pretty late at night. And then in the morning, I finished the other side. So this is a couple pictures of what it looked like. I took the rear flare off because I thought I had to take it off to fit a 35. But then later I figured out that you can, at least for the street, you can run with a flare in the back. But that's just kind of what it looks like without that. First picture with the netting system I put in, and then with the doors off. And as you can see, I did put the rear flare back on just because I figured I don't want to get in trouble with the police. That's kind of a. There's the half door, unpainted yet. This was me. I was figuring out where to put the full toe boogie windshield banner. There's a picture of the Cobra and the Jeep. Just some roller shots here. This is obviously what the Jeep looks like now. So I just kind of wanted to share you guys just some clips that I had on my computer that didn't make it to a video that I thought would kind of be interesting to some of you guys. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.